What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. And if this is your first time on my channel, just want to welcome you to Residual Knowledge TV. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Today, the subject will be what separates success from failure. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Alright guys, what separates success from failure? I got two categories for you guys. One is successful people and the other is unsuccessful people. These are questions that I have encountered when bringing somebody into a business. These are some questions that they usually ask. So this is just want to make a disclaimer, like this is just from my experience, okay? This isn't from anybody else, but these are some questions that I've heard successful people ask and unsuccessful people ask in regards to separating themselves from failure when they're seeking success. So I've heard a lot of successful people who have become successful within online marketing. They'll ask, what is the cost and is it worth the risk? Very informative question. It helps the person who's bringing you into the business, like myself, to answer that. Like, yeah, it definitely is. I mean, it's worth the risk because you're investing in yourself and you're seeking success, which is very good to know. Unsuccessful people that I've encountered, a lot of times they'll say, how do I start with little to no money? And it's cool because most of the time the programs, everything that's usually set up, you can start with little to no money. I mean, the only thing that you would probably have to provide would be your email address. That's it. And you usually get a 14 to 30 day trial, and that's little to no money. But that's what I usually hear from unsuccessful people. Another question that successful people have asked me is, how bad do I need this? Or they ask themselves, how bad do I need this? Which is very good to know, because that lets you know, that tells me and tells yourself that you're really digging deep into what you or your business may need, and do I provide that for you? Do I have the skills, the knowledge, the information, and the know-how to show you what this business that I'm in is offering you? Whereas some unsuccessful people, of course, it's their free version, which is cool. Like I said, it's cool because nowadays most of the products out here are free. You get to start off free. That's how to get you in. We want you to at least try it out. At least try it out in the beginning, which is always good. Just try it out. If you don't like it, give your money back. Go home, go on your merry way. Another question that's asked is, let's think long term. What ROI will it bring me later? Whenever you're investing in any type of course, e-business, digital marketing business, anything like that, you have to look at long term, I would suggest. And that's a good informative question to ask yourself, like, how would this benefit me? Is this going to help my business or is this going to hurt my business? And of course, a lot of unsuccessful people will ask, I better start making sales while I have the 14-day trial. Which, that's cool too. I mean, that's where your mindset is, but it's going to be hard to get over a lot of trials that may come with having your own business and working online, if that's your mindset. Like, I need to make money within these 14 days. Another informative question that's asked by successful people is, I understand that in business I have to invest before I earn. Very true. You have to invest. There's a lot of investment that you have to do before you earn. And it's not just monetary investment, it's time investment. You have to invest time into your business, into making money online, if that is your goal. That's what my channel is based upon, how to make money online. Definitely, if that's something that you're trying to do, it does take some time. Now you can, speed ahead and make money like within a couple of days, but you have to also realize that you have to invest money, you have to invest time. But unsuccessful people have said to me, I have to make money before I spend a dime. There's no other way. And that's cool. If that's how you feel, that's cool. Can I offer that to you? I can't guarantee that. That's up to your skill set. That's up to how You can follow directions, and that's up to how you can execute those directions, because the systems work. It doesn't matter what program you're part of. It really matters about your hard work. It matters about how much do you really want it at the end of the day. So what is the difference here between the successful people and the unsuccessful people? Most people don't understand what business means, that you might have to work for months before getting any financial results, that you might have to invest before you can cash out anything. It's hard to understand in business that when you have your own business, you're investing a lot. You're putting in more before you see a return on your investment. When you are an employee, you know that I'm going to put in these hours and I'm going to be paid for these hours. In business, it's more of I'm going to learn a skill set, and as I build upon and perfect my skill set, I will eventually be paid for my service. So it's a mindset thing that it's kind of hard to get over. If you liked my presentation that I gave today, like this video, share it, put some comments down below. If you are looking into earning income online, I do have some links below. You can click on that. You could hit me up on Facebook, here, anywhere. I'm just here to help you guys to understand that you can do something outside of your regular job to create an income online. So it's Eric Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV, and I hope y'all have a great day. Peace.